Raj Bardwaj is a regular guest here on the Morning Edition and an emergency room physician based in Calgary. Got thoughts on back to school plans so far? The latest is on our website, cbc.ca/sask, and you can write to us, Morning Edition at cbc.ca.
You're listening to the Morning Edition on CBC Radio 1, 102.5 FM in Regina, and 540 AM all across the province.
When Shadia Rahman applied to immigrate to Canada, she found the process confusing. So she started providing what she learned online for free to make it easier for others. Now, 4 years later, the Regina woman's winning a national award for her work. She's a recipient of Canada's Volunteer Award for Community Leadership on the Prairies, and she joins me now to explain. Good morning, Shadia.
Hi, good morning, Tiffany.
What was your reaction when you found out you'd won this award?
Well, it was definitely a wonderful feeling. When I started my journey as a volunteer, getting something in return wasn't my expectation, but it always felt good when I heard that I was one of the recipients of Canada's Volunteer Award 2019 in the Community Leader category from the Prairie. It's good.
Well, congratulations. What can you tell us about your website and what you provide for others?
Well, Immigration and Settlement website as well as social media is a non-profitable volunteer platform. The experienced volunteer provides information on different immigration programs, student visa, work permit, spouse visa, business visa, and so on. At the same time, we also provide information on settlement issues for the newcomers in Canada. We believe that the updated information helps the new immigrants to come and settle in Canada and successfully eventually to get Canadian citizenship.
What made you think that such a site was needed?
Well, Canada has a multicultural and diverse population. Every day, new immigrants are finding their new home in Canada. I was also one of them. When I first started my immigration application process back in 2016, I found it a little bit complex. Although all the information is clearly written on the IRCC website, I felt if I could make this information easy to understand, free of cost, and available to others, it would help to understand the process to everyone. Again, many people are going to the immigration brokers and they are paying a lot of money. So if people can get free of cost, authentic information, they can save and bring their settlement money in Canada. And last but not the least, I wanted to create public awareness about Canada immigration and immigration-related fraud incidents.
What were things like for you, Shadia, when you were applying to come to Canada?
Sorry?
What was the experience like for you when you were applying to come to Canada? What did you find for yourself in terms of the experience of doing it?
Firstly, preparing necessary documents was a lengthy process for Canada immigration. Secondly, the English language test was another vital requirement for the immigration. And also, so much information on the internet, so you can easily get confused. So, if someone has a simple and easy guideline for the immigration process, it would definitely help.
How many people has your group helped since you started up?
Every day we are getting 3,000 to 5,000 hits on our website, and it's increasing every day. So I might not be able to tell you exact number that are being helped, but however, the website hit counts tell us that people are visiting our site to get information. Besides, our Facebook group and YouTube channel are providing free of cost information to tens of thousands of people. We started with maybe 5 or 10 volunteers. Now there are more than 50 or 60 people who are working together.
Wow. Why do you think other people are so interested in helping too?
I would say everyone, when they pass this journey, they feel that difficulties and they can relate it. So that's why they thought okay, if I can help for others, why not? So I would definitely say these people are good soul, and that's why they are willing to help people. They're providing their time, their experience, and that's wonderful.
What is next for you?
Well, we had a long dream to register a non-profit organization through which we could work more effectively and more efficiently. At the same time, we want to make partnership with the existing settlement organizations where we can work together for the newcomers in Canada. We're also working to improve our website content and make it more accessible to the Canadian immigration help seekers. Our immigration and settlement-related news updates are coming to our web portal in a regular basis. We're also trying to build a strong volunteer network through which the help seekers and the new immigrants can build a strong community in Canada and abroad. We focused and addressed the gaps and issues that the newcomers are facing these days. As an example, our volunteers can help find accommodation before the new immigrants arrive in Canada. So the team members of the immigration and settlement can also become helpful in some other settlement issues like improving English, French language, help to make education plans, city tour, and so on.
How are things for you as a Canadian now, Shadia? What's your experience been over these recent years?
I love it here. It's cold, but I really love it here. I started my job. I am very settled down now in Regina. And yeah, it's wonderful.
Thanks so much for giving back and for telling us about your work.
No problem. I really appreciate your time to reaching me out.
That's Shadia Rahman. She's a recipient of Canada's Volunteer Award for Community Leadership in the Prairies. As you heard, she helped set up a nonprofit, a website, and it's on YouTube and Facebook as well, that helps people who want to immigrate to Canada just to streamline that process and provide some of the help that she herself could have used when she was immigrating back in 2016. This is the Morning Edition on CBC Radio 1. We've been talking a lot about back to school all week on the program. This morning I've tweeted out our latest story about school divisions, including both divisions in Regina